we're going to have a look at how to move files around and how to organize your desktop for your files. Most of your files when they come in are going to be downloaded into your downloads unless you specify a file you're going to put them in. But after a while, downloads can get really full. So I'm not actually going to show you my download file because it's really full. So I'm going to show you instead just an example file of how we can do this. When you open it up, it may come up with icons, different icons you can have here with it, going through, or it might come up as a list. What I'd like you to do is go here to details. So I've gone up here under view to details, and what this does is this will show me, and I can actually make this, it may come up smaller like this. You can make it larger, you can actually bring it up to here, you can double click here, it'll make it the right size. So this is going to show me the name of the file, the date it was made, the type of the file it is, the size, and the length. If I click up here on this blue area here, it's going to be able to data sort these files or folders according to their type of what they are, but it's going to do it alphabetically. Either A to Z or Z to A is where it's going to go to it. So we've got them all filed here. Now they're all saved with the same kind of files with it. If I want to move these into another file, what you can do is you can come down here to your File Explorer. You can right click on this and this will bring up a menu here with it. And then you can actually open up another window here by clicking on File Explorer. It opens up a brand new window for this as well. The idea of side by side is I can actually go over and I can move things around. Now in the other folder that it's going to, I want to set up some folders here in the other file. So because I don't want to just move folder or files over. Remember we have files and we have folders. If I want to set up a folder, if I right click anywhere on the white, I'm going to get a new folder and that'll allow me to put the name in here. So I'm going to call one images. If one came up but I don't already have a name to, I can actually right click on that and rename it, and I can call this programs. And let's see what else we have here. We've got some new folder, we've got some audio, and we've got some video as well. New folder, videos. Okay. Now remember we sorted them here by the type, so WMV and WMV and MP4, these are all my videos. So I can put my first one, it's going to highlight it. If I hold down my shift key, now I've highlighted all of my videos, and I can click on the middle of this with it and drag it over to my video file when it highlights with that and put them right into my video file. That's now been moved over to there. So if I open up my videos, there they are with that. If I want to go back to in the process of going through my folders, I can either use this arrow right here in my address bar. I can just click on the name, and that'll bring me right back to there. And move my way back and forth through there. So that's the idea of moving folders or moving files and folders between. If I want to copy a file, what I don't want to actually, I want to leave the original in there, but I want to put a copy in another place for it for whatever reason you're doing that. Maybe you have an original and you need to have a copy someplace else of it. What you would do with that is you're going to click on it to highlight it, hold down your Control, CTRL key, click and drag, and you see it saying copy. That will put a copy in the other file, in the other folder for you. So that's what that is about. So it's going to bring them up there with it, saying it's copy, this way it'll save it, and there you are. That's the whole idea between moving and copying files and folders. And you can do the same thing with folders, you can drag them over as well. So